Hello students, good morning. Now today we will start our next topic, average value of the alternating EMF. Our next topic, then in last class we have done average value of the alternating current. Today we will do that alternating EMF. Then what is alternating EMF, average value of alternating EMF? That it is defined as the value of direct EMF which sends the same charge in a circuit in same time as is sent by the given alternating EMF in its half time period. That is the average value of the alternating EMF. Next, let the instantaneous value of alternating EMF is given by E equal to E naught sin omega t. That is the alternating value of the EMF. E equal to E naught sin omega t. E naught is the peak value of the EMF sin omega t. Then as we know that I equal to dq by dt, then from here we can write that dq equal to I dt, and I, as we know that by Ohm's law, I equal to V by R. So we can write there dq equal to E by R dt. Clear? Put value of here E, then I you can write there E by R. Then from here put value of E from first equation, then dq we can write there here peak EMF sin omega t by R here dt. Clear? Now integrating equation on both sides, this equation came, now integration on this equation both side, dq equal to E sin omega t by R dt integration. Here 0 to t by 2. Constant term we will take outside and remaining term we will keep inside the integration. Then we will take integration. The integration of dq we can write there q, and here we can write there E naught by R, that is constant, and integration of sine we can write there cos omega t, there minus cos omega t, and omega t integration divided by omega we can take it outside. Here integration from where to where? 0 to t by 2. Clear? Now put limit final minus initial, constant term we will keep outside there omega r, then we will keep here final limit t by 2 and cos 0. Then here will be cos pi. Everyone know about it. In last class we have done how they are changed. Then E naught omega r, here will be cos pi minus cos 0. Clear? Then here minus E naught by omega r cos pi we can write there minus 1 0 minus 1 q. Clear? Then here minus minus we can write there plus, then 2 E naught by omega r q. Then from here there is a second equation, we can write it. Then by definition, then we can write there q equal to E mean by r t by 2. That is, from here we are writing I equal to q by t. Then q we can write there I into t. T we are taking t by 2. Then I we can write there v by r. From here we can write it. There is the third equation. Now comparing both equation with each other. Now comparing equation second and third. Then after comparison we can write there E by r t by 2, then E naught by r omega. Clear? Then here we can write there E m by r, then 2 we will take this side, then it will be 4 E naught by r omega t. Then we will put value of omega, then we can write there 4 E naught r into 2 pi. Omega t equal to 2 pi. Omega t equal to 2 pi. Clear? Then E mean by r. Clear? Now from here this to this cancel out, then E mean left equal to 4 by 2 pi. Now here 2 to cancel out, here left E mean by 2 by pi. Clear now? That is the mean average value of the alternating EMF. Average value of the alternating. More if you are converting, then solution of this one 6.37 E naught. This relation will come. Clear? Next we will find that is the RMS virtual या फिर effective value of alternating current. That is the next topic, our RMS virtual effective value of the this current. Clear? Here this we can denote I RMS, I effective, I virtual. We can denote it with all letter. Clear? How we will define it? It is defined as the value of a direct current which produced same heating effect in a given resistor as is produced by the given alternating current when passed for the same time. When passed for the same time for complete cycle of AC alternating current. Clear? Then the instantaneous value of the current we can write there I equal to I naught sin omega t. Then current will remain same for short duration of time dt. Then the instantaneous value of alternating current is I equal to I naught sine omega t. This current remain same for small duration of time dt. Clear now? Small amount of the heat generated, then small amount of heat generated through resistance R in same time dt. Then we can write there dH equal to small heat in small time, that is the dH equal to I square R dt. Clear now? Then next we will solve in next class this equation. Then we will find our RMS value, virtual value of alternating current. Next we will solve there, put value of I here. After putting value, then we will take the integration from 0 to t. Then we will solve it. Then our virtual value, RMS value will come out, that is equal to I virtual equal to I naught by under root 2. Okay. Up to this topic, solve in fair notebook, do in fair notebook, and try to solve in rough notebook also for revision. Okay, thank you.